My name is Mike VanBrill, a filmmaker and photographer who set out on a journey to immerse his soul in the natural world and escape the constraints of society.
What am I hitting?
I don't know. What are you aiming? Oh, you're aiming for the head?
Yeah, did I get one of those?
Your shots went, see where on the head to the left?
Yeah.
It all started after qualifying for the D1 national tournament. For the first time in my wrestling career. I was getting ready for an experience I worked for my whole life. Until the coronavirus swept the nation.
We cannot now, at this point, have fall NCAA championships. Sadly, tragically, that's going to be the case this fall, full stop.
And put an alarming halt to my wrestling season. 19 years of hard work and chasing a goal of becoming an All-American or national champ was stripped away in a matter of seconds. So I made a life-changing decision. I packed a bag and booked a cross-country flight to Oregon to visit my long-lost cousin. We set to backpack through the depths of Oregon's vast landscapes and to perform all of the crazy activities that we love most. Hiking, surfing, cliff jumping, gun shooting, and most importantly, letting go of the fear and strict expectations wrestling and college academics has placed on me. Through this film, I will show my seek for inner peace. Join me through a risky but fulfilling adventure for self-actualization and freeing the mental barrier of living in fear.
Let's go, dude.
Get it, man.
And what it means to live without tomorrow.
What? So we're back here to go snorkeling. We saw about 5, oh my god, I'm talking like 40-pound salmon just roaming down this little swimming hole. So we got our scuba gear and we're gonna try and see some salmon up close. What's going on? We just rolled up at this bridge. I wanted to jump it. Normally it's about like 40 feet, but the water is super low and I went to depth check it and I don't like it. It's a little shallow. I'm gonna have to skip out on this one. Catch you back at the next bridge, next cliff, whatever we see out here. Peace.
So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down, so just take me there to higher ground. Save me. I'm holding on to you. My soul is fading. I'm falling into blue. Why don't you say so live and give me higher ground.
Alright, I'm recording. Yeah, buddy. Good? Let's go! Damn, bigger than I thought. That's pretty goddamn big.